My name is Bruce Wells. I'm the Director of Design for Innovant. Innovant is a New York City company. It's been around since 1990, and we've been mostly specializing in core furniture like workstations, benching, private office, and conference suites. ReadyBench was brought to us by Gensler. It was designed by their product development team with the purpose of bringing a new aesthetic and a new visual approach to benching, which has been a very commoditized product range for many manufacturers, and they all look alike. So it was very much intended to look different, better, smarter. The product is meant to be quite simple. I mean, materials like veneers and laminates and fabrics, PET, and the like can be applied. The metal substructure and the transom at the back of the work surface can be colored with accent colors to create sort of a signature datum aesthetic to it. There's significant room for variety in the aesthetics of it. At the end of the day, the signature look really is its simplicity and its cleanliness. So whether people are coming to a workstation that is theirs or one that they use that's open to the employee base, the signature aesthetic of the product is going to start to become quite visible and important in a space, especially when you talk about how many of these workstations fill a space.